In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Alibaba with Shopify. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to expand your product offerings, integrating Alibaba with your Shopify store can open up a world of possibilities. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your Shopify store, so it's crucial to become familiar with this space if you haven't already. Once you're in the admin panel, look for the Shopify App Store. Think of this as your go-to resource for finding tools and applications that can enhance your store's function and capability. Once there, use the search bar to find the Alibaba.com dropshipping app. It's a powerful tool for sourcing products directly from suppliers on Alibaba, making your dropshipping operations more streamlined. After locating the app, you'll see an option to Add App. Go ahead and click on this button. Adding an app like this is straightforward, but it's always important to make sure you're logged in with the right permissions so you don't run into access issues. Once you click Add App, you might be prompted to authorize the app to access certain aspects of your Shopify account. This is standard procedure when integrating new apps and shouldn't cause any concern. It's just ensuring the app can interact properly with your store. The addition process usually just takes a few moments. After it's added, you'll want to configure it to suit your business needs. This will involve setting preferences and perhaps linking any existing Alibaba account you have. Familiarize yourself with the app's dashboard. This is where you'll manage product selection and other functions. As a tip, take some time to explore the different features offered by the Alibaba.com dropshipping app. Whether you're adding products, checking out suppliers, or managing orders, being familiar with the app ensures you make the most of what it has to offer. This integration will allow you to browse and import products directly from Alibaba to your store, setting prices and managing your online inventory seamlessly. It's a game changer for any dropshipping business. To wrap up, integrating Alibaba with Shopify is not just about connecting two platforms. It's about creating a smooth pathway from supplier to customer. Being strategic about the products you choose and efficiently managing your integration tools can really elevate your business. If you follow these steps and stay informed about app updates and best practices, you'll be on the path to success with your e-commerce store. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.